One of my friend's birthdays is happening this month, and so I am doing a FabFitFun style birthday gift for her. So this is a old time FabFitFun box where they used to be beautifully designed with all these gorgeous colors, but it has such a birthday theme. It was just perfect. Plus it really matches the colors of this gift. So the very first thing that I have wrapped up for her here is a set of 3 trays. These are cute little pineapples, and she gave me this little mushroom, and I wanted to gift her a little tray. I've gotten so much use out of this mushroom. It's always on my desk. It's just beautiful. This one matched just a beautiful, colorful theme that I was going for with this box. So that is the first gift here. The second gift that I have here, let's go in order that I'm going to put them this way. This is one of my favorite journals. I got this from the Goldie Box, and I've loved it so much that I have gifted it to many other friends and family along the way, and I am gifting one for her. It is also perfectly color themed for this gift, so I could not resist. This is the cutest set of 3 sponges. They're all a play on words, which is absolutely adorable. Moby Dish, Pride and Prejudice. Anyways, she's an avid reader. I saw that. I thought of her immediately and thought it was perfect. So the reason why this is a FabFitFun theme is because FabFitFun comes with 6 items, and every item is chosen and curated for us specifically by ourselves. So I've curated a box of 6 items for Janice. Here is another cute little gift I have given her. This is a gorgeous candle. I adore the iridescent colors of these candles. I love iridescence in my scrapbooking, and I thought it was a beautiful candle. That's something that seems to be the most popular choice of a gift in most FabFitFun boxes. Another popular choice of FabFitFun is to include a blanket. So I love IKEA, and that is where this blanket is from. It is not only my favorite company, but it's also the perfect color that coordinates with this present. And then last but not least, I have gifted her a set of dish towels and dish gloves from Vanderwees, which is a local greenhouse. It's the most beautiful store. I wanted to include something from there in this for her so that she could appreciate the amazing products that they have. I've talked with her about this many times before, and now she can have something from there herself. Plus, everyone in our house is really enjoying the rubber gloves that I got from there. So I think that she will have a practical item in this. And then I really need to protect the products in here. So I think I should probably, you know what, I'm going to cushion these things first. I was wanting to see if I would be able to fit everything. It fits well. Let's cushion everything nicely in here with some paper. This candle needs to be cushioned. These dishes need to be cushioned. There, that'll be good. Okay. That's going to provide some cushioning as well, as are the sponges. That's excellent. Okay. I'm going to fill in with some shred. Little shred there. in those little papers, in those spaces. We've got some orange thread that will, clearly came in some Halloween mail. Take that out of there so that it's so pretty when she opens it up. Don't really need to do that. That can go like this. I have a handmade card that I will put on the top, bringing out the yellow. This is one of my little snippet rolls that I created. I am gifting her a piece of that. So I think that should be well packaged in there. I'll add some more little balls and sparkles on the top when I find some of those. But that's what the gift looks like, all wrapped up in her very own birthday themed FabFitFun Box. And that will be a bright, cheerful package to get on her doorstep. It is pretty heavy, so we'll see what the cost of shipping for that is. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see the latest thing that Janice sent to me, I can actually link it for you here. She sent me a beautiful birthday gift, including this gorgeous little bunny here that was handmade from Etsy. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.